What's up, hustlers? It's your boy Ronzbonds, and we're about to break the internet again. Listen, figuring out the perfect niche for your online business can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack the size of Texas. Too many options, right? That's why today, we're diving headfirst into the future of entrepreneurship with AI. We're talking about using AI to find the most profitable niche for your business, and not in like a week, not in like days, but in minutes. I'm talking laser-focused targeting, cutting through the noise and getting straight to what actually makes you money. No more guessing games, no more overwhelm, just pure data-driven results. Let's go. Are you struggling to figure out the perfect niche for your online business? Feeling stuck or overwhelmed by all the options? Don't worry, because today, we're diving into how you can use AI to find the most profitable niche for your business in just minutes. No guessing, no stress, just results. Let's get started. Look, I'm gonna level with you. Choosing the right niche isn't just some cute little suggestion, it's everything. Picking the wrong one, that's a one-way ticket to Struggle City. You'll be wasting time, wasting energy, wasting money, and who's got time for that? But when you nail your niche, when you find that sweet spot where your passions and the market align, that's where the magic happens. That's where you build a brand that people actually give a damn about. You'll attract loyal customers who buy again and again, and you'll set yourself up for long-term success. And the best part? AI tools are like cheat codes for this whole process. They're here to make your life easier, so let's use them. I'm talking about going from confused and overwhelmed to crystal clear clarity on exactly who you're serving and what they want. And trust me, when you have that clarity, building a business becomes a whole lot easier. We're not just building businesses here, we're building empires, and that starts with knowing exactly who you're conquering. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the power of AI to find your perfect niche and set you on the path to massive, undeniable success. Alright, first things first. We gotta know what's hot in the streets. What are people craving? What are the latest trends capturing everyone's attention? What problems are they trying to solve? What are the pain points that keep coming up in conversations? That's where market research comes in, and lucky for you, we're not living in the dark ages anymore. We have advanced tools at our disposal. We've got AI to do the heavy lifting, making the process faster and more accurate. Think of Google Trends like your business's personal crystal ball, giving you insights into what people are searching for. Type in a broad category you're interested in, like fitness or personal finance, and see what comes up. See those spikes and dips? They represent the rise and fall of interest over time. Those are the whispers of the market telling you what's up. Pay close attention to these patterns. Now take those whispers and turn them into a roar with ChatGPT. Use it to dive deeper into the data. Let's say you see home workouts trending on Google Trends. This is your starting point. Jump over to ChatGPT and ask, what are the most popular sub-niches within home workouts? Be specific. Boom! ChatGPT hits you with a curated list of golden nuggets: yoga for beginners, bodyweight training for busy professionals, HIIT workouts for small spaces. These are highly specific and valuable insights. These are your clues, your treasure map to finding the perfect niche. But don't stop there. Dig deeper into each sub-niche. Ask ChatGPT about the demographics, the pain points, the desires of people in those sub-niches. Understand your audience thoroughly. The more data you have, the better your decisions will be. Data-driven decisions are key to success. Remember, knowledge is power. And with AI, you've got the whole damn library at your fingertips. Use it wisely. Chapter 3. Step 2. Validating your niche like a boss. Okay, so you've got a list of potential niches that are hotter than a fire emoji. These ideas are sizzling with potential, but we need to make sure they're not just a flash in the pan. But hold your horses, cowboy. Before you dive headfirst into the wild west of business, we need to do some serious validation. Before you go all in, we gotta make sure you're not walking into a ghost town, or, even worse, a gladiator arena. You don't want to be fighting for survival in an overly saturated market. You need a niche that's got the perfect balance of demand and opportunity. It's like finding the sweet spot where your business can thrive. Too crowded, and you'll be lost in the sea of sameness. You need to stand out, not blend in. Too obscure, and you'll be shouting into the void. Your message needs to reach people, not get lost in the ether. Don't worry, we've got AI tools for this too. These tools can help you navigate the complexities of market validation. SEMrush and Ubersuggest are your secret weapons for spying on the competition. They give you insights that are crucial for making informed decisions. Plug in your niche keywords and see what's up. This will give you a snapshot of the current market landscape. How many people are searching for this stuff? High search volume indicates strong interest. Who's already ranking for it? Knowing your competition helps you strategize better. Now let's talk about your audience. Understanding your audience is key to tailoring your approach. You need to know who you're talking to, like, their coffee order. The more detailed, the better. This is where ChatGPT comes in clutch again. It's like having a personal assistant for market research. Ask it to generate an audience persona for your niche. This will give you a clear picture of who you're targeting. Let's say your niche is eco-friendly pet products. ChatGPT can help you understand your ideal customer. ChatGPT can paint you a picture of your ideal customer. Their age, their income, their values, their pain points, their dreams. You'll know exactly what makes them tick, what keeps them up at night, and how your product can be their saving grace. Validation is about removing the guesswork. It's about making data-driven decisions that set you up for success. And with AI by your side, you can validate your niche faster and more effectively than ever before. So get ready to conquer your market with confidence. Chapter 4. Step 3. Show me the money, checking profitability with AI. Alright, let's talk about the thing that gets everyone fired up: money. The lifeblood of any business, the ultimate motivator, and the key to your entrepreneurial dreams. Because at the end of the day, you're not just in this for the love of the game, right? You want to see those profits rolling in. You want to build a business that makes it rain. A venture that not only sustains itself, but thrives and grows. So how do we make sure your niche has the potential to be a cash cow? It all starts with understanding the market and leveraging the right tools. First up, let's check what's already selling like hotcakes. Identifying these trends is crucial. Tools like Sell the Trend and Oberlo are your windows into the world of e-commerce. They provide invaluable insights. They'll show you what products are trending, what people are actually buying, and how much they're willing to pay. This data is gold. This is invaluable information because it tells you what's already working in the market. It helps you avoid costly mistakes. Now let's talk about your pricing strategy. This is where many businesses falter. You don't want to be leaving money on the table, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the game. Striking the right balance is key. ChatGPT can help you find the sweet spot. It's like having a business consultant at your fingertips. Tell it about your product, your target audience, and your costs. The more information you provide, the better the insights. Ask it to create a mock business model for you. This can be a game changer. Boom! You'll get insights into potential profits, expenses, and even suggestions for different pricing tiers. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Listen, profitability isn't a dirty word. It's what keeps your business alive and kicking. It's the lifeblood of your business. Without it, your dreams remain just that, dreams. And with AI, you can make sure your niche has the potential to generate serious revenue from day one. So, let's get to work and make that money. Outrow, dominate your niche. That's it, folks. You've got the framework, you've got the tools, now go out there and crush it. Remember, success isn't about luck, it's about hustle, it's about putting in the work, and it's about using every advantage you've got. AI is the ultimate advantage in today's business world, so use it, embrace it, become a master of it. Because when you do, you'll unlock a whole new level of success. Now go out there, find your perfect niche, build your empire. And don't forget to come back and tell me all about it in the comments below. Peace out. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment by sharing your online business journey.